Your thumbnails suck and no one watches your videos. I know about that. But I learned 2 ChatGPT prompts and how to use them along with Canva to make them watch. So here I am in ChatGPT and I used version 4.0. Now let's go over to YouTube and pull one of my old thumbnails. Pretty crappy, isn't it? Yeah, I know. Now let's go to Canva and I want to find that thumbnail and here it is. Now I want to download it, which I did as a PNG file. We're going back to ChatGPT. Here's that prompt, the first of 2, along with uploading that thumbnail. See, there it is. Now, I'll go over the prompt, and you might want to pause. It's any tips for the attached thumbnail. Again, you might want to pause and write that down. Send that through, and then ChatGPT will give you some tips. Here, they gave me 6. 1, add a pop of color. 2, highlight the key ingredient. 3, incorporate an emotion or face. 4, enhance the text visibility. 5, simplify the text. And 6, focus on cookie close-up. Now, you can use these tips and run with it. Go to Canva if you're a Canva expert or techie and make those changes. They also give you sources for their suggestions. I'm not a techie. I'm not a Canva professional. So here's my second prompt. Please draw the revised thumbnail with your tips. That's the second and final prompt. So you hit submit and it takes it a minute to get started. But then you get this screen and it shows that ChatGPT has drawn something and is using DALL-E 3. Here's the revised thumbnail. Thing of beauty, isn't it? Now you can use this thumbnail or not, and it gives you some tips on how it came about, the revised thumbnail, basically following the tips it told itself before. Focus on the cookies, vibrant background, personal touch, bold, high contrast text. Again, I really like this thumbnail, but it doesn't have a picture of the actual cookies. And it gives you the sources too. So let's download this to my computer and let's upload it on Canva. And notice I kept the old thumbnail open. There's the new one uploading. Now I like the text on the new one, not so much on the old one, so I'm going to get rid of it. Okay. And now I want to detach the image from the background. And I'm going to bring over the new thumbnail. I really like that top part where it has YouTube and it's in pink. But if I try to use it that way, get to it that way, I'm getting rid of too much of the thumbnail. So let's go over here to edit. And in Canva, they have this new thing called Magic Grab. You just select, either click or with a brush, what you want to grab out of the picture you have up. So I want to grab the big part of the thumbnail, the cookies, and that easy apple butter oatmeal cookies writing. So it's thinking about it, doing this magic. It brings me back. Now look, boom, magic. I can take that out. Magic grab. Now I have that upper border that I wanted. And I'm going to have it at the top because I'm trying to mirror the revised thumbnail that ChatGPT gave me. Now let's go back and do magic eraser because I don't want the picture of the cookies because it's obviously fake and I have pictures of the cookies. So I increase my magic erase brush size and you just highlight and it comes in purple, all the bits of the picture that you want to erase. Again, magic eraser. And you have to make sure you get as much of the items you want to remove highlighted in purple. Then you hit erase and you wait. And see, it's all gone. Now, let's go back. Here's my revised image. I like that. But then I notice there's a little bit that I want to get rid of once I enlarge the cookie picture. Gonna get it where I want it centered in the screen. So let's go back to the magic erase and let's erase this part here. Again, you highlight it, hit erase. It's gone. Now let's go back to the thumbnail. Now I like that. But I want to close the border of this square. So I'm going to try to find a black line. I tried this one. Nah, didn't like it. Too distorted, too rough. That's just a basic straight black line. I like it. Now let's maneuver it a little bit. Yep. To match the angle as closely as possible of that upper part. Bring it into place. Maybe need to twist it around a little bit more. And when I got done, this was the final version. So I downloaded it as a PNG file. There it is downloading. Now let's go back to YouTube. See, there's the old one. See the new one? Now let's go back. Scroll down. Hit change thumbnail. And I uploaded the new one. There's the new, there's the old. Big difference. Hit save. So now I have a new thumbnail. And I scroll down. I just want to verify that it's showing up on my videos. Yep, there it is with the new thumbnail. To me, that's a vast improvement. So let's scroll up and I'm going to show you another one. On gingerbread. This is the very first thumbnail that I used those two prompts on to get from ChatGPT to get a revised thumbnail. When I first released this video, I got 33 views. It was mainly from my subscribers. Earlier today, I was at 114 views, as you can see. Later in the evening, about 6 hours later, I'm now at 155 views and it's going up. This was my very first attempt at the gingerbread thumbnail. Crappy, right? Second attempt. I'm getting there. Third attempt. Love it. And that's the one that once I revised it, put it on there. This was my cheesecake thumbnail original. ChatGPT 2 prompt. Looks much better. Original seasoning thumbnail. Much better with the 2 prompts from ChatGPT. Tea cakes. Revised tea cakes. German marble chocolate cake. The revised one. Thing of beauty. Trust me, you guys need to try this. You'll love it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.